Leeks and honeydew, baba ganoush and chutney too. Organic sprouts, oh my. I'm thinking of a dinner of tasty hot stir fry. Yes, I say everyone should give it a try.
Ooh, they say about the things I like to eat. Shh, hey, I say I'm just a lion who doesn't eat meat. I'm a vegetarian. I'll say again, yes, I'm a vegetarian. I didn't say a veterinarian. Listen again. I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. Soy, fresh fruit, every day makes me say hooray! Corn, string beans, applesauce makes me scream out yay! I'm a vegetarian. I'll say again, yes, I'm a vegetarian. I didn't say a veterinarian. Listen again. No, I'm a vegetarian. One more time. I'm a vegetarian. Vegetarian, that's me. It's exactly what I choose to be. Lion with a heart who eats from the tree. Hey, time to eat. Set the table, I'm ready to feast. Ah, a grassy treat. So much better than a pile of meat. No, no, take it away. That's not for me. No way. Calamari? I don't think so. Get off the table. Go, man, go. That's just too gross. What I hate most is just not my thing. I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. Peppers, avocados, honeydew, and citrus fruit. I eat a lot of beans, even though they make me toot. Bananas are delish. They make a yummy dish and make me happy. Mozzarella, I'm in love with cheddar cheese. Thank you, please. Brussels sprouts, hear my shout. Sparkly soup, 2 big scoops. Applesauce, squash and peas, orange juice, fresh and squeezed. Hot fudge sundae. So you can see I do things differently. Hunt? Who, me? It's just not in my genes. I've got to be true to me. And I'm a vegetarian. And I'm a vegetarian. And I'm a vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. Rawr. Shh.